Hello everyone, I hope you all doing great. Welcome back to our channel Zoho Nuggets. In our previous video, we have learned how to create Zoho web form and use on the website. Link is there in the description box for your reference. In today's session, we are going to see how you can use source code of your Zoho CRM web form and do changes in the CSS and put it on your server HTML body where you have defined your website contact us page. Let's see how we can fetch the source code of Zoho CRM form and do the required changes in CSS. Go to setup page from right top corner, click on setup. Now under developer space, you will find the Zoho forms. Click on Zoho forms. Here you have all your forms that you have created. Now just select any form. Suppose I'm just taking one test contact page. Once you bring your mouse on this test contact page, this three dots will came up. Click on three dots. Click on get code. Once you click on get code, a pop-up window will come. Now from code format, select source. Once you select code, your code will came up over here. Now copy the code. Once you copied the code, paste over any your notepad or word file. Paste the source code that we have copied from Zoho CRM. Okay, this is the code that we have copied. From here, we have to use this input type. You can see they have mentioned like do not remove this code, so we have to use this thing. Apart from that, we have to use the IDs of all the attributes that we have created in the Zoho form, like your first name, ID first name, and the name value. Then we have to use last name. We have to use phone number, mobile name, right? So this is name of the mobile. Then email ID. And the same way you can have more attributes. So whatever you have added on Zoho web form and on your server web form, so you have to use these ID and put on the server. Apart from these two things, you have to copy the analytics part. So at the bottom you can find this part. Okay, so these three things we have to use from here on our server web form. So right now I'm on my cpen where we have created the contact form. So you can see like this is lead to CRM form we have created in PHP. I'm just adding this form. Click on edit. It will open the form that we have created. So in this form you can see all the CSS that we have defined here. Now from the code that we have copied from Zoho CRM, there were three things that we have to use over here. The first thing is the input type over here, so that we have copied from there and paste over here before starting the your form. Okay, so this is the input type. Then in the form name you have to use the ID of the web form. So ID and the name we have used over here. So under the form you have to use the IDs and the name of the attribute from the web form, like first name, email ID, mobile number, and description. Correct. Then in the form in the end of the form, so we use the analytics that we have copied from the Zoho CRM web form. The purpose of this analytics is to get the values in the CRM. So whatever information they are filling over here that get mapped, and after map we are getting the analytics from Zoho CRM. That's the purpose of Zoho analytics over here. So this is our contact us page where means that we have designed. So I'm using the like test Piyush gmail.com. Then I am looking for Zoho training. So what I have done, I just fill the name, email ID, phone number, and a description. Submit. It will create the lead into a system. So I'm just going to lead module. Okay. So over here you can see our lead is coming. So this is how you can use the Zoho form source code and your customize or your own CSS and create Zoho or lead into a Zoho CRM.